So they do smell amazing and they look pretty good. All right, so today I'm going to be making a Copycat Buffalo Wild Wings, boneless wings, which is pretty much just, we're going to use chicken breast to do this and follow a bit of a recipe. First, we're going to go ahead and get the sauce started. So I'm going to make some buffalo sauce for the wings. We're going to put 1 stick of butter and a half a cup. We're using Valentina hot sauce here. You can use Louisiana sauce, you can use Frank's, whatever you want. That's what we had and what we're using. And then we're going to add a couple tablespoons of some apple cider vinegar. Not measuring it, just a couple good splashes in there. And then a splash of some Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire. And we're going to go ahead and put some of that in there. Probably a teaspoon or tablespoon, or I don't know. Then we're going to go ahead and put this on a stove. It's just too cold to cook outside. We're doing a little indoor cook today. And we're going to melt that up. Then next I'm going to go ahead and make the flour batter and buttermilk and some dipping. We'll put an egg, some buttermilk, get some flour stuff together for the dipping. And we've already got the chicken breast cut up into just little chunks like that. The dry mixture is going to be 1 cup of flour, just all-purpose flour. A tablespoon of your favorite Cajun seasoning. Well, mine slap your mama. We're going to put a tablespoon of that in here. I like a little extra. It's a little more than a tablespoon. We're going to take some salt and just put about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of that in there. Likewise with some black pepper, just a little bit in here. I like a lot of black pepper. Let's go. And then I'm just going to combine all these ingredients together. Then we've got some buttermilk. 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, and we're just going to beat that well. Then we're just going to take a piece of the chicken and take it into the buttermilk mixture. Then we'll dip it into the flour mixture. And then we'll place it on the plate right there for about 10 minutes. And I'll do that to all of these, or several of these here. I decided to go ahead and put them all in there and let those soak up till we get ready to powder them all up. I just sprinkled some extra on there real good. Look at that. We're going to let those set up for just a little bit. Easy way to do that is put them all in there and shake them. After I let them set for about 10 minutes, you could let them set more. You could also re-batter them if you wanted. I got that to 350, and we're just going to drop these in for about 5 minutes. Went ahead and went about 7 minutes on these. I checked this one and it was not quite, that had a big one in here and it was just not registering. It's only registering 150 and now we're at over 170. So they're good and done. That's how they look. Just want to make sure they're at least 160 and we'll place them over here on a towel, paper towel, or I've actually got a regular towel here because we're out of paper towels. And that's what they look like. We're going to let them rest for just a few minutes. Resemble Buffalo Wild Wings at all so far? Then here is the sauce I made with the butter and the Valentino hot sauce. You can just drop these right in there. And use whatever you want. Make you mango habanero. I actually have some of this right here that we'll be using on some of these. Just going to lather them up real good. So they do smell amazing and they look pretty good. Add you some ranch I've got here, or blue cheese. Missed the plate. There we go. All right, there we go. We got the Buffalo Wild Wings with the ranch that missed the whole plate for a minute there. And we're going to go ahead and give this a taste.
You're about to spill it off your plate though, babe. See?
Yeah, okay. It'd be all right. Give this a little dip. See how this is. I do like the boneless wings at Buffalo Wild Wings. These are pretty good. I'll be trying some with the mango and some different sauces. Yeah. I'd say that's a winner.